Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Um, and Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, it's 2024 and here's my first video to start the new year. I'm also participating in Jill's open collab for Satmore Makes here on YouTube or Instagram and also on Facebook. So if you don't do videos, you can always post on Instagram, and you can also join Satmore Makes on Facebook and join in on the fun. And you don't have to be a card maker. You could be any kind of crafter. It could be sewing, it could be crocheting, it could be painting, it could be watercolor, it could be scrapbooking, whatever your heart desires. Jill loves to see everyone creating art, and it could be anything. So I am mainly a card maker. I used to be. I like to dabble in everything. I like to crochet. I like to make cards. I like sometimes I do junk journaling. I don't do them as much as I like to. Or boxes or 3D items, or I used to do planners and stuff like that, and I don't do it anymore. Wasn't something I kept up with. So today I'm here to share this cute little stamp and die from Peachy Keen. My sister's birthday is this month, and she loves bears and she loves sunflowers, and I thought I could incorporate them into one card. And this card is just simply adorable. I just had to pull it out. And so, anyway, here is my card. I stamped her a couple times and cut her out. Then I stamped on these two pattern paper from this paper pad from Dollar Tree. I darkened her eyes and her nose with a this pen. It's a fine line pen, pigment ink, water resistant, archival, and acid free. Um, and I got this on sale at Hobby Lobby last year. So, and then I use Wink Stella. I need to use my stash more. I used it on her eyes to give it some sparkle, but I don't think you can see it. I paper pieced her. I even even paper pieced her ice cream. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to color it. I need it's one of the goals I have this year is to get back into coloring and stuff, but we'll see. I even paper pieced her little paws, but I did color in her little toes. So I think she's just simply adorable. And that die just cuts like butter. It's just amazing. I used some snowflakes because she is a polar bear, by the way. And I used this old punch from, what is it, Tonic. And then I punched out a tag punch from an old punch from Fiskars. It's a dual punch, and it punches out these holes as well. It's huge. But I love it because it adds just a little something in the corner. I used a burlap doily from my stash just to give her, I don't know, she needed something behind her, and I didn't want to do a snowflake or anything like that because it didn't really go with the sunflower paper. but I did add a little bit of snowflakes here and there. Yeah, and then I used some stickers from my stash. This is an old sticker alphabet set from Studio 112, and I think this was from Joann's way back when. um, to spell out HB for happy birthday. And then I also layered some papers inside with my sentiment. So I really love how this card turned out. She's adorable. And then I forgot to mention that I also colored the cone, but then I also used my white gel pen. And if you can look at it, it it looks like it's dimensional, and it just adds a really cute, like she's really holding a real ice cream cone. Um, so that is my card for Saturday Morning Makes with Jill, and I'll have her link down below so everybody can go check her out. I'm sure everybody knows Jill, but just in case. So I want to thank everybody for watching. My my crafty goals this year is to use what I have. Try not to go out and buy. I'm not saying that I'm not going to go out and buy, but I'm going to really work hard to use what I have first, and then I can give myself a little break here and there. And to participate in Jill's open collab more consistently, because last year it was sparse. I didn't do many videos, and hopefully this year I'll do more videos. So yeah, let me know what is your goals for 2024. I'd like to know. Um, if you want to put it down in the comments, or maybe do a video, that'd be great. And I might do a giveaway at the end. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.